This is Art by Patrick McDonnell. This is art. And this is art. Art and his art. Can you tell them apart? When art is in play, get out of art's way. He zigs, he zags, he really gets wired. There's no stopping art when art is inspired. He draws scribbles that squiggle, dots red, yellow, blue, splotches with blotches, and the curliest cue. Art stares at the paper and uses his noodle to conjure up a perfect doodle. And doodles need houses, trees, and cool cars, a dog, a moon, and a billion bright stars. Art draws and draws till he flops in a heap, and among his creations he falls fast asleep. Now let's be quiet to try something we've heard. A picture is worth 1,000 words. And when he awakes a little bit later, Art sees his art on the refrigerator, held there by magnets, stars, and a heart, put there by Mother, 'cause Mother loves art. The